One of the realities about law, like if you're an actual practicing lawyer, is that all of the media representations of law glamorize the law substantially and focus on a small portion, which is exciting, sexy, and fun. The reality of law is largely not the case. And in the spirit of keeping it real, I want to share with you what a successful partner at a boutique law firm who has about, a team of 10, what the day looks like. Because it's easy in your head to think you just swan into court, say something like Alan Shaw, win the case, guzzle a wine, and fly back in your helicopter. And nothing could be further from the truth. The reality is that for most partners, at least the ones that are sane, what we do is we start a day super duper early because we want to get some steps in or some exercise, because otherwise dealing with people all day will drive you insane. You then make it to the office and you'll have a huddle with your team, and you will basically break down what's going on with each case, how it's all traveling, and where we need to go with what. Then throughout the day, you will do your best to do deep work, but you'll be constantly interrupted with crises that you need to help resolve. And all of the problems that your team can't solve, and remember, my team are high-performing, brilliant, hardworking people. All of the things that are too hard for them get escalated to me. So I'm dealing with problems that are too hard for really smart people to solve. In amongst that, you're having conversations with clients, or you may even pop into court where you have to deal with emotion or a mention or something, and you have to be empathetic and sympathetic when you're dealing with people going through the worst day of their life. And you're looking at your task list, and for every task you manage to finish, 4 to 5 emerge. So you have this position, like I do, where you finish the day having killed yourself, and the task list is longer than it was before. So the logical question is, well, why on earth would you do this? And the answer is because you love it, because you feel called to do it, because it's a privilege to help people through that situation. And while it is not always the nicest or the easiest, and it's tough, it is a real amazing feeling when you help a good person out of a problem they didn't think was solvable. But it's not glamorous, at least not most of the time. Most of the time, it's getting down in the muck. It's doing things that aren't sexy. It's file notes. It's conversations around things. It's filing. It's certifying. It's stuff that's banal and dry, but you need to do. But those days where you actually help someone and something comes through, like an announcement from the department that your client gets to stay in the country, or a settlement gets completed on favorable terms, or you go to court and someone gets a fair sentence, it makes it all worthwhile. Follow me for more legal TikTok.